Hey everyone, welcome to Plugins video series. In this video, I will show you how to configure location-based archive pages so each store or warehouse has its own product listing page in WooCommerce. A location-based archive page displays products filtered by a specific store or warehouse. Each location gets its own unique URL, which is great for SEO, navigation, and customer experience. Now let's go to WordPress dashboard, then go to Location Manage, open Locations, hover over any location and then click View. This opens the location archive page on the front end and shows only the products assigned to that location. If you don't see the view option, it means the location URLs are not enabled yet. Let's enable them now. So for that, go to Location Manage, then open Settings. Next, open the Location Info Management tab and scroll to the Location URL Settings panel. First, enable locations in URL. This includes location information in product and category URLs. Now choose the URL location format. Query parameter format looks like this and path prefix format looks like this. Path prefix is recommended for better SEO and cleaner URLs. And next is location URL prefix. The default value is given here, store location. For example, your final URL structure will look like this. Now click Save Changes. After saving these settings, you must flash permalink rules. For that, go to Settings and click on Permalinks. You don't need to change anything, just click Save Changes here. This activates the new location URLs. Now return to Location Manage and click on Locations. Now you can click View again for any location. The location archive page should now load correctly and show location-specific products. If the archive page shows a 404 or doesn't load properly, don't worry. Simply go to Settings and click on again Permalinks. Again click Save Changes. This fixes most rewrite and permalink issues. Here are some best practices to follow. Use path prefix URLs for better SEO. Keep location slugs short and readable. Always flush permalinks after changing URL settings. Test multiple locations to ensure all archive pages load correctly. Once configured, location-based archive pages allow customers and search engineers to browse products by specific store or warehouse, improving discoverability, SEO structure, and location-focused shopping. Thanks for watching. Check the documentation link in the description for more details.